Good morning student. My name is Harpreet Singh. I am a lecturer of Mechanical Engineering Department. ਸਾਡਾ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਟੌਮ ਥਿਊਰੀ ਆਫ ਮਸ਼ੀਨਸ। ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਇਨਵਰਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਮੈਕੈਨਿਜ਼ਮ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੇਨਸ ਪੜ੍ਹੀਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ, ਲਿੰਕ ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦਾ ਉਹ ਅੱਗੇ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਉਹਦਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਆ ਇਨਵਰਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਮੈਕੈਨਿਜ਼ਮ। ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ दैट we have already discussed that when one of link is fixed, ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਲਿੰਕ ਫਿਕਸਡ ਹੋਵੇ in a kinematic chain ਦਾ it is the called mechanism, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਮੈਕੈਨਿਜ਼ਮ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਜਦੋਂ ਲਿੰਕ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫਿਕਸਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕਾਈਨੈਮੈਟਿਕ ਚੇਨ ਦਾ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਮੈਕੈਨਿਜ਼ਮ। ਸੋ ਵੀ ਕੈਨ obtain as many mechanism as the number of links in a kinematic chain by fixing in turn different link in a kinematic chains. This method is obtaining different mechanism by fixing different link in kinematic chains is known as inversion of mechanism। ठीक है, कई लिंक्स ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ kinematic chain 'ਚ, ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫਿਕਸ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਆ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਿਕਸ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਥਡ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਆ, ਮੈਥਡ obtaining different mechanism by fixing different link in kinematic chains is called as, is known as inversion of mechanism। It may be noted that the relative motion between the weights link is not changed। ठीक है, ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, it may be noted that relative motion ਜਿਹੜਾ relative motion ਹੁੰਦਾ between the weights link is not changed, ਉਹ change ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ in any manner through the process of inversion, but their absolute motion, those measured with respect to the fixed link, may be changed drastically। ठीक है, note the part of the mechanism which initially move with respect to the frame or fixed link is called driver, and the part of the mechanism to which motion is transmitted is called follower। ठीक है, ਜਿਹੜਾ motion ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਹੁਣ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ, ਜਿਸ ਤੇ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਆ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ follower। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, most of the mechanism are reversible so that same link can play the role of driver and follower at different time। For example, in a reciprocating steam engine the piston is driver and flywheel is a follower, while in a reciprocating air compressor the flywheel is a driver। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਕੀ ਆ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਕੀ, ਰੈਸੀਪੋ ਸਟੀਮ ਇੰਜਨ ਹੈ, ਦਾ ਪਿਸਟਨ ਇਜ਼ ਦਾ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ, 'ਚ ਪਿਸਟਨ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਫਲਾਈਵਰ ਇਜ਼ ਫੋਲਵਰ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਵਾਈਲ ਇਨ ਰੈਸੀਪੋਕਲ 에ਅਰ ਕੰਪਰੈਸਰ, ਜਦੋਂ ਰੈਸੀਪੋਕਲ 에ਅਰ ਕੰਪਰੈਸਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹ 'ਚ ਦਾ ਫਲਾਈਵਰ ਇਜ਼ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਨੈਕਸਟ ਦੇਖੋ ਟਾਈਪ ਆਫ ਕਿਨਮੈਟਿਕ ਚੇਨਸ। The most important kinematic chains were those which consist of four pairs, four lower pair, each pair being a sliding pair or turning pair। The following three types kinematic chain with four lower pair are important from the subject point of view। Number one, 4-bar chain of quadric cycle chain, second single slider crank chain, and third is double slider crank chain। First देखो 4-bar chain of or quadric cycle chain। We have already discussed that the kinematic chain is a combination of four or more kinematic pairs such that the relative motion between the links or elements is completely constrained on the equal direction। The simplest and the basic kinematic chain is 4-bar chain or quadric cycle chain as shown in figure। It consists of 4 links, देखो 4 links है फिगर ਵਿੱਚ। ठीक है, एक आह वाले links 1 2 3 4। ठीक है, each of them form a turning pair at A, B, C and D। The 4 link may be different length according to Grashof law। So for a 4-bar mechanism the sum of the shorter and longer link should not be greater than the sum of the remaining 2 links length। If there is too big continuous relative motion between the 2 links, a very important consideration in designing in mechanism is to ensure that the input crank make a complete revolution relative to the other links। The mechanism in which no link make a complete revolution will not be useful in a 4-bar chain. One of the links in a particular, the shortest link, will make a complete revolution relative to the other three links. If it satisfies the Kirchhoff law, such a link is known as crank or driver in figure 5.18. Link 4 is a crank. The link BC is link 2 which make a partial rotation or oscillate is known as lever or rocker or follower, and the link CD number 3 which connect the crank and lever is called connecting rod or coupler. The fixed link AB link 1 is the frame of the mechanism. When the crank is the driver, the mechanism is transforming rotation motion into oscillating motion. Okay, thank you.